so getting ready to install the new seal on the transmission.
What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz, Ryan, Colin, Stockton, and Danny back here with another video. Tonight we're going to be continuing to work on the LAUREL transmission. We got to do a couple things. It's not going back in tonight, but we need to swap over the bell housing and then I believe move the internal gear set over. I'm not sure yet. Mess with a couple different gaskets. Let's get right into today's video.
Screwdriver? I gotta fucking fill out through here.
So currently they are disassembling the tail housing, trying to get this gear selector, gear shaft selector out.
It'll screw up.
Taking this part, the old transmission, to know how to put together the new transmission that's over there on the floor.
Oh yeah, that would have been cock blocking us.
Oh wow.
I don't know what you are. I think that's for or which direction you go.
Is it the reverse?
That might be the reverse lockout.
It's out now.
No.
So this little piece right here, this is the reverse lockout. They were trying to figure out which way it's oriented, but it turns out these holes are spaced correctly so that it can't go in the wrong way.
Oh, go car.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he would have hit my man.
Alright, Ryan.
Should be ready.
Maybe? Relax. What are we hitting? Yay! Alright, let's see. Is your fifth in reverse fucked up?
There's a gear set.
Hey, it's just like he told me on the other one.
Oh yeah, that's how, because there's no synchro for reverse.
Yeah, straight cut.
For the lightweight. Weight reduction.
Stockton, how those gears looking?
That's a new one, right?
I mean, yeah,
Alive?
they're there.
Not shattered?
Not bad, not nor.
They do be gearing.
Not shattered. Is it looking geary?
You did have gray on there. It was gray, but it was also the Nissan, or the Nissan shit.
Yeah. Forgot this in the other aisle.
What is that?
Sticker blast, bro.
Oh. It's gonna be good.
Yeah. Whole interior. That's crazy.
All right, yo. What do y'all think? We need to come back. Post a YouTube video. We need to come back.
What do y'all think?
Gray or black? Start a poll right now. Differentials and transfer cases.
Dude, that would be us.
That is not a transmission.
So we got the brake clean. We got the black
You gotta open it.
Permatex Ultra gasket. Ultra black, excuse me.
No, bro, I don't need an air freshener.
And then we're getting a razor. This is cheaper than the 100 pack of razors.
I need to buy this.
Just
There's not going to be a chunk of it when you miss it.
When you plastic razor it, you don't have to fucking worry about this.
I'm sorry that the guy at AutoZone didn't know.
Probably the same aisle as a wooden gun.
Yeah.
Plastic razor?
That is crazy. It's really not that
People like him really make me want to.
Sounds like shaving.
The fuck are you
Scared
scared
if that's, yeah. Scared if you shave like that.
Ouch.
Your balls calloused or something, bro.
Razor burn.
Yo, you need some lotion.
Pull it out right now. Pull it out right now. Ain't no way, no shot you shave right there, but I like using it when I can have a fake piss next to my cock and balls because it like keeps it tight. I don't use fake piss. And I don't drink it.
It's like, what's it? You put me on your water? It's like, nah, I put it in my fake piss.
I put it in my piss.
Doesn't it have a new seal?
Yeah, I think it has a new seal.
Right now we're just seeing which tail housing we're going to use. Checking the different seals to make sure they're good. And then also the mating surfaces on the other side.
That is a new seal. Hey.
I'm done with
You got a
this.
knife?
Get your non-tip knife out, bro.
Man,
Stab yourself. Stab yourself. Stab yourself.
Cuts, we're at the hospital.
Yo, it's bad as a motherfucker.
Need Ryan.
seal puller,
All right.
which is something that I guess we didn't really think about.
Call them.
So we tried with a couple other non-seal puller tools that didn't work very well. We're just trying to figure out how to take it out, period, on the old one. But it looks like we're just gonna have to get a seal puller for the one we're actually using.
Do you guys have a seal puller for like a transmission?
Do we have a what?
Seal puller?
A seal puller? Yeah, give me 1 second.
They might have one to Rambo.
How we found it. Seal puller and lockpick. Oh my god!
I did it with the seal puller!
So. Hey, let's go, dude. We're basically mechanics now.
Dude.
Good job, man.
Yay, Ryan did it!
Hey.
Crack my shit. Hell yeah.
That's how Ryan was hitting it last time.
Wow.
Hey, do we need to put it back in for the video?
No, fuck it.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah, ready. Oh, perfect, man. Now we have access to the seal right here, which we're gonna use our new seal puller to get it out. All right, first person to just absolutely gouge your transmission housing loses.
Just do it. Just do it, pussy. So close.
I'm scared.
Just do it. Just do it.
Nice, man.
Yay!
Nice.
Now where's the good seal? Right here. Alright. Oh my god.
What happened?
Welcome to my world.
Yeah, fuck you.
Ryan got brake cleaner in his eye.
He got blicky in his eyeballs.
I got in my eye. Sorry guys.
He got blicked on. Scream clean oil to me.
That's transmission.
Chunky transmission oil.
Oh god, that's terrible.
It was bad.
Like feel all the grit on it. Next.
It's so bad. Okay. Be nice to each other now.
This is where we pray. We are using the old seal right now to install the new seal.
It's working.
And it is working.
Fucking smacking my fingers.
Every one of these videos, there's going to be one clip of Stockton just destroying his fingers.
Sexy, right?
Pretty sexy?
It's looking pretty sexy.
Nice.
Should we clean this up?
Yeah, might as well. Okay, sorry. You want some solvent?
Spray it in his hand.
Beautiful.
Back over here. That's solid.
Actually, maybe.
New one or what?
These gaskets.
The old one looks better than that.
Yeah, the old one was fucking. Was messing.
You can scan I'll just here.
That's the
Hey, Jack.
Hi, Fitz.
Hey.
YouTube content.
Wanted to tell you that.
You know what he just said?
I'm so white and uncultured.
These are good.
Just better with the hot sauce. Valentino? Yeah, Valentino.
Ending off the night with some gym tacos. So you guys are local to Raleigh, you might know about gym tacos, but it's very good. Try it if you have not.
That sounds like food.
Steak.
My chicharrón?
That's where I'm gonna call tonight's video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.
Yo, these Funyuns go crazy.
Walking through the fucking city during this massive festival. My stepbrother is the one I was with, and he's traveled like a bunch, so he knows like you're about to walk through a big crowd, hands in the pocket. I didn't know that. Some of them are walking like, reach my pocket. No. Yeah. Turn around, it's just like big group of people dispersed. It's like
The whole time they're bumping, they're like,
yeah, they're all bumping, and one dude's just like,
yeah.
fine.
Yeah.